this case.
Why you waited until this time?
I was not putting time to.
Yeah, but all this time you should have arrested the team.
It's fine. We'll deal with that.
We must
not here.
Why all along?
No, I'm not.
You phoned to?
I'm not yet.
You phoned to? You phoned about what?
No, let's go, man. We are not going to negotiate. Why should we negotiate with you?
So now you're becoming fiscal.
No, I'm not becoming fiscal. Let's go. If you want us to use Minam Force, we'll use Minam Force.
No, I want to know from January. From January.
Therefore, why are you being arrested? Why are you being arrested?
They arrest me because I'm in this case. Okay. That's the reason.
Is this why you're arresting him?
Yeah. They get doesn't want me in this case. That's it. That's the reason. He's got the warrant of arrest from January. Why he didn't accept?
What are the charges? What are the charges?
I don't know the charges to start with.
Did they tell you the charges when they handcuffing you?
I don't know the charges.
Have you guys read him his rights?
They never did that.
Have you read him his rights?
That's how they harass me.
We can't talk to the media.
That's how they harass me.
Why are you arresting him?
Let's go there, you must read the rights.
Have you read him his rights?
Have you read him his rights?
Now I'm leaving my file behind. This file was important. I want the file to I want to. Why should I go to the file? Why should I go to the file? For what reason?
No, let's go.
You're taking to the side without reading his rights.
It's fine. You'll challenge that in court. It's fine, guys.
I want to keep my file.
How?
How
is it going to come?
No, let's go. Come on. It's on my file. Let's go. You're injuring them. You're injuring them. Don't fight. No, why are you arresting?